Let's go! YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, man, I'm so excited for what we got to talk about today. But if you're new here, before we get into it, man, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on your notification bell. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. At the time of me recording this, we're at 931 subscribers, man. Thank you to every single one of you. Also, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, which can help us grow the channels. Same things with comments, shares, all of that stuff. Help out the algorithm. Let's hit those goals. Also, last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead, man. If you follow the Instagram, you would know why I am so excited. So today is December 12th, 2020. Sneakerheads, not even sneakerheads, honestly, this is something that happens for the whole world. The Christmas release, right? Everybody knows what today is, and that is the day that the Jordan 11 Jubilee released. The Jordan 11 to celebrate 25 years of the Jordan 11, man. And yo, y'all been around the channel, especially if you follow the Instagram, you've been keeping up with the progress. Yo, I was stressing these joints, man. I didn't know if I was gonna get a pair, right? It all started last Saturday, literally 7 days ago. Today it started. I called DTLR. I was like, yo, I heard y'all doing a toy drive for guaranteed slots. They were like, hell yeah, we'll get our pairs in. We'll do them on Monday. Cool. I show up there on Monday. It's a different person in the store. How do I know it's a different person? I talked to a guy on Monday and a guy on Saturday and a girl on Monday. I show up and she was like, yeah, we did the toy drive for the spots yesterday. And I was like, hold up, man. Y'all told me to come in Monday. But she was like, hey, it is what it is. They're gone. I said, fuck it. Left the toy there, kept it moving. So then I went ahead. I entered at one of the local shops near me. Didn't get it. Finish line. Didn't get it. Didn't get it on Foot Locker. No chance. No foot action. Missed on all of those. Missed on DTLR. Missed on sneakers and stuff. Missed everywhere, man. Down to my last hope. Last night, shout out to the homie, the Wise Soul, man. He actually hit twice on the Flex app. And I was hurt when I saw it, but he said, damn, I would have accepted the second one if I knew you didn't get your pair. But he already turned it down. I'm like, damn, man, it's up to the sneakers app. So I did my regular sneakers app thing, you know what I'm saying? Went through with the sneakers app. I had my girl running her sneakers app account, and I had a homie, one of my homies, not gonna say his name, went above and beyond for me. I was like, yo, bro, like, I know you're not really trying to get these because he's not the biggest 11 guy. I'm not honestly the biggest 11 guy either. I just really like this colorway. I know he's not the biggest 11 guy. I was like, yo, you want to try to get a pair for me on sneakers tomorrow? He's like, hell yeah, I got you. Boom. Yo, he hits me up this morning. Yo, I hit, but he sent me the picture. It was on DTLR. He went in through DTLR, got in quick, hit through DTLR, and then like 10 minutes later, he said, yo, I got through on sneakers too. I was like, bet, give me both pairs, bro. Both pairs of them things, double up. Probably, this is the first double up I've had in a while. So excited to get these in hand, man. Y'all have no idea. Cannot wait to get them here. It's been a great sneaker week for me, man. The whole sneaker week from Sunday through Saturday. It started off rough with the whole DTLR situation, but on Monday, man, I was able to hit on these right here. We're not even going to look at these right now. Y'all don't care about them. It's the Christmas Air Max 90s. That video will probably come out tomorrow. Boom. Then I hit on the Wolf Gray Air Max 1s that came out yesterday. Big sleepers. They're basically Mocha Air Max 1s. Because they didn't have the Mocha name, the hype beast slept on it, which is huge for me because I think they retail for like $150. I looked on GOAT yesterday. They were going for $230. And I think the price on that is going to go up. So I'm super excited to have those. And then ending off the week, man, just with the Jordan 11 Jubilee in hand, man. This week could not have gone better from a sneaker point of view, man. I am so excited. Can't wait to get them in hand for you guys. Shout out to everybody that got their pairs. I know I saw the Wise Soul got them. Skip Goes Hard. I know he got them a while ago. 313 Retro Queen got them. I think T-Mac might have got them. I can't remember. A bunch of people got them already with the early access and through securing slots in different stores. I'm the most unlucky person. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi connection, whatever it is. The homie that actually got the 2 pairs for me, he is blessed. He hits everything. So he hit these on sneakers. When I did the Off-White 5 review for you guys, those were his pair. He hit those on sneakers. I did the Royal Toe for you guys. That was his pair. He hit those on sneakers. Actually, the Fire Red 5s that I had, I caught the L on the Fire Red 5s, and he hit me up and said, yo, I was able to get through for a size 12. You want them? I got you for retail. And I was like, hell yeah. So that's how I was able to get my Fire Red 5s for retail. I don't know how. He gets through everything. That's the homie, man. Always great to have friends. Great to know people. That's one of the most important things in the sneaker game, is making connections, man. I am so excited, as y'all can tell, man. Great week. Great week. The end of the year is looking really good. There's 2 more pickups that I'm looking forward to the end of the year. The OG 95, the OG Air Max 95, and then the the Raging Bull 12. I'm calling those the Raging Bull 12s because the original Flu game is such a grail to me that I will not tarnish it by calling something the reverse version of it. I will just call those the Raging Bull 12s. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's on my hit list for the rest of the year. Obviously, something may pop up. There is one shoe, a reach back from my childhood. It's actually pretty cheap that at some point, I budget my money. So when I got the extra money left over in the budget, because I'm budgeting for those shoes first, but when I could get those, I'm going to probably go back and get those. Y'all aren't going to care about those, but I will. That mean a lot for me, man. But yo, absolutely great sneaker week. This year has sucked, but it's been a pretty good sneaker year. We can't lie. I'll start doing my list, recapping the year. Top 10 overall. I may do a top 10 Jordan. I may do a top 10 Air Max. I may do top 10 underrated. Who knows, right? But super excited, man. Thank y'all for supporting the channel. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit the subscribe button, man. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the channel. A lot of good things going on here. Goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. When we do hit 1,000, there will be a giveaway. Also, make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button. It helps us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Helps with the algorithms, all of that stuff. So does commenting and sharing. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. If you follow the Instagram by now, you already know that I hit on the Jubilee 11s. Hopefully you guys hit too. Let me know down below in the comments, man. One more thing before I go, man. It is a Christmas Jordan 11 release. Now, granted, it's not the the Bread 11s like it was last year, or the Space Jams from a couple of years ago, or even the Concords. So it's not as dangerous, but just be safe. The Jordan 11 Christmas release every year is always a dangerous release. I try to avoid going in malls as much as possible. I try to get my guaranteed pair so I don't have to wait in line. Please don't get hurt over a pair of sneakers. Please don't die over a pair of sneakers. It's never that safe. Enjoy the holidays. That is it for this one, man. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.